Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to be showing you how to check out, individuals, from celebrities to public figures, pretty much anyone who's on the internet. To be able to check out their internet footprint, get more information, from pictures to everything, they've done online, from pictures to social media accounts to anything at all you want to, get to know about them as an investigator. Now, note that this is not for you to use for any ill purposes, right? This is just an educational video to teach you how to, bypass, especially for cybersecurity individuals or students. One big problem has always been, trying to get more information about an individual or a company or something, particularly individuals, because you definitely have to inculcate your Google APIs, Bing API, and so many APIs in order to give you the opportunity to, get more information about a person. Okay, one big flaw or one big issue we've had on the cybersecurity and ethical hacking space is, having to get information about individuals, without having to break any, law and all of that. So this is why it's a very good way to attempt that. So let's get right into it. So I'm just going to type the website. What's my name? Okay, so let's I'll quickly just accept the cookies, and then here you have the website. Okay, so you can see first of all that it has category filters. If you click there, you'll see it has all sorts of categories. So depending on the individual you're trying to, look up, it has music. If the person is, a musician or into game, or whatever information you have about the person, if you click that on the category, it just narrows it down to, your particular search. But I'm just going to leave it at all and then zoom back in. Okay, let's go with very dark man. Very dark man. Okay, and I have to choose the category as all so it doesn't exclude any information. So I zoom in and click search to usually give you this capture, to so it says all curtains. Let's zoom in and look for curtains. Here's a curtain, here's a curtain, here's one, and I think here's one. Okay, that's correct, and then it immediately starts scanning. Okay, so right now we see it's scanning already. You can see 41 processed out of 679. You can see all his the subject's online information already, coming out. Scroll down. Now this ranges from wherever the name was mentioned, posts to photos to comments to every single information. I mean, down to this the subject social media account and pretty much all his footprints on the social media. And then let's just wait for it to finish scanning. You also have the link here, the GitHub. Okay, let's just wait for it to finish scanning. Okay. Okay, of course, now this is not all, because if you scroll down to the page, you see a next, option there. You see next, so it's a whole lot of information about, the particular subject. Okay, you can see the YouTube, you can see a whole lot, right? The social media, I guess this is probably WhatsApp or I guess not. I guess this is Telegram. So, there's a whole lot of information down here. Okay. And then there are also PDF sheets, spreadsheet, Word documents. You see, I'm not going to specifically click any link or go any further. This is just like I said, an educational video. Okay. Do not use this to do anything harmful to any individual. Okay. So thanks for watching. Do subscribe, like, and comment. Okay. If you like these videos, if you like videos like this and you want me to expatiate on any parts, do well to comment and I'll give you a feedback. Thank you so much.